Hello everyone, greetings of this week. Hope you are doing well and you have also enjoyed the Navratri with full on colors and your wishes. Let's begin with the opportunities in pharma industry for this week. Cognizant is hiring freshers, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, BSc, MSc for process executive for the location of Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Coimbatore and Hyderabad. Quincia is Bioclinica hiring for drug safety professionals where B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PharmD, BDS with 1 to 2 years of experience candidate can apply. Marksans Pharma, Goa is hiring for tech transfer, senior executive or executive. M.Pharm with minimum 5 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. Saga Life Sciences is hiring business development officer, where M.Pharm or MBA freshers can apply. MBA with marketing will be given preferences for their Ahmedabad location. One consultancy is looking for business head for the ultrasound for a leading medical device company. Candidates with 15 to 20 years of experience can apply, and he or she must having a 5 to 7 years of experience in ultrasound modality. Coming to the next opportunity, that is Sycon CRO is hiring CRA, Clinical Research Associate, B.Pharm or M.Pharm with 3 to 5 years of experience people can apply. Biosite Research Private Limited for their Bangalore location is hiring medical writers. Candidate with minimum 2 years of experience can apply to the given mail ID. E2E consultant urgently hiring immediate joiners. MSc biotech candidate for one MNC biotech firm in Gujarat. Freshers can also apply, or up to 1 year of experience people in lab also can apply to the given mail ID. Amnil is hiring project management R&D injectables. Masters with 4 to 8 years of experience can apply. Again, one consultancy is hiring senior executive for liquid orals, but location. B.Pharm or M.Pharm candidate both can apply. Amnil Pharma again is hiring MDI and DPI in regulatory affairs. Masters with 5 to 9 years of experience can apply. Brooks Steady Sciences is hiring QC microbiology, where M.Pharm, MSc microbiology, freshers or up to 5 years of experience candidate can apply. And coming to the next opportunity, that is Sun Pharma is hiring for R&D, non-orals, where M.Pharm or PhD in pharmaceutics with 2 to 10 years of experience in injectables and 1 to 4 years of experience on ophthalmic candidate can apply to the given mail ID for Baroda location. Flagship Biotech, Mumbai location, hiring for PV role. B.Pharm or M.Pharm with 2 to 4 years of experience can apply. Acro Labs is hiring for tech transfer, where they are looking the candidates for research associate and senior research associate and team leader. M.Pharm with minimum 4 years of experience in tech transfer can apply. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is hiring for multiple locations, multiple positions in for their Hyderabad location. That is cell line development, QC bioassay, bioanalytics, product analytics, where MSc, M.Pharm, PhD, and 2 to 8 years of experience candidate can apply. Origin is hiring research associate, cell and molecular biology or translational biology. Masters with 3 to 8 years of experience can apply. Recruit India is hiring regulatory affairs, executive or senior executive, where M.Pharm, B.Pharm with 3 to 6 years of experience candidate can apply. Hector is looking for project coordinator for their clinical trials segment. Masters with 2 to 3 years of experience in CRC, clinical research coordinator or clinical trials can apply to the given mail ID. Torrent Pharma is hiring for PB for manager, assistant manager, and executive position. M.Pharm, MBBS, MD candidates all can apply. Allied Market Research is hiring for the position of research analytics and senior research analyst. Nagpur location, where bachelor's or master's with minimum 2 years of experience candidate in a market research industry must can apply to the given mail ID. So thank you for watching and all the best. Happy job application.